Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for hanging out with me today on a DIY pedicure at home. I haven't filmed one of these since the start of the summer and I've done a few since my last one. So this is my last color I did with blush pink with my new Bond Time polishes, and you all, I'm loving it. This was actually just one coat with no base or top and it lasted for 2 weeks. I know there was chipping, but gosh, that still lasted. So I love to start my pedicures out with Head and Shoulders and of course my Arbonne Rescue and Renew Soak. I love these bath salts. I use this for exfoliation and pain relief, and it also adds a touch of aromatherapy. So now I'm just going to remove the old nail polish with some acetone and get started. When I do my pedicures, I like to set up in a comfortable spot, so today I'm actually in my room. I try to do pedicures every 2 weeks, but sometimes that does not go as planned. And this is what my nails look like after the acetone. I use just regular nail polish on my toes. I've never done gel or anything. Let me know in the comments below if you all use gel or a regular nail polish for your pedicures. I love my simple foot bath. It gives me everything that I need, especially when it comes to getting into the grooves of my arches. I think it feels so good and relaxing, and the bubbles and the jacuzzi is just an added benefit. I love to soak and relax for about 20 or so, or 15 to 20 minutes, and after my feet are soaked, I like to take my pebble stone and gently exfoliate more around my feet. I don't have too many calluses or anything, that's why I love this pebble stone. It's not rough or abrasive. I know it looks this way because the clips are sped up, but I'm going really soft. And after that, I'll take my cuticle pusher and push back my cuticles. I hope everyone is doing well and getting back into the groove of August and all the upcoming seasons and festivities and back to school. After my nails are all prepped, this is what they look like, and now I go a step further with my apricot peppermint cream. And like I said, I do this every 2 weeks, so I get to exfoliate my feet. And this Arbonne product is not in stock. It only comes around once a year, unfortunately, during the Christmas seasons, but it will be back in stock soon, thank goodness, because this one tube has lasted me all year, thank gosh. But this year I will definitely be bulking up. I love Arbonne, especially for bath and body products and protein. Plus, they're cruelty-free and vegan and keep out a lot of toxic ingredients. So I love that. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried any Arbonne products. Alright, so my feet are fully prepped and soaked, and I got my massage in, and this is what my nails look like after everything is done. And if I didn't want to polish or anything, I would just leave that as is, but I'm going to go ahead and put some polish on. So I will shape my nails. I rarely use nail clippers, I always just use a file. So I am going to be looking into glass files. I know these emery boards are a little rough on your nails, and I definitely want to try out those glass files. Let me know in the comments below what you guys use. Do you like the glass files or these emery boards? So I will be using this Essie gel top as a base because I love it. It dries really fast and applies my other colors more evenly. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite base and top coat is for your pedicures. I really want to try out Clear Jelly Stamper's No Smudge top coat and Maniology's, and I also want to try out Posh's hard top coat, I think it's called, and also a rubber base and top coat. So if you know of any rubber base or top coats, either gel or regular nail polish, please let me know. I really want to try a few. So now I'm going to go in with this beautiful gray from Bonne. It's called Granny Gray, and I love grays, especially in the upcoming months of September and October and August. And like I have mentioned before with these Bonne nail polishes, they are so opaque and thick and creamy in the first coat. You really just need one. But for this pedicure's sake, I will be applying 2 coats of this Granny Gray.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't.
So this is with 2 coats of the Granny Gray, and like I said, I love gray nail polish. I would leave it like this, but I wanted to go a step further with some glitter, some silver glitter, doing a French ombre. So I'm going to be doing this at the tips of my toes, going up to all 5 toenails. Well, actually to all 10, and this LA Colors glitter came from the Dollar Tree. I love French fade looks, especially grays and blacks, and when glitters are combined with those colors. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. I am going to finish the designs off with my other foot and touch up a little bit more on the other big toe, and then we will be adding a top coat. Alright, so I will be using my gel top, the same one that I used as the base. Like I said, it dries really quick, and I find with this regular nail polish top coat, it does not smear any designs. And this is just a regular gel Essie Couture top coat. And I also use this as the base. Alright everybody, this is the final results on this gray glitter silver pedicure. I love this combination of gray with light glitter sparks. So I finished off my pedicures all with a thick moisturizer, and we are all good to go outside and flaunt our new toes and pedicures. I love wearing open toe shoes when I do my nails like this. And yeah, everyone, this was my DIY pedicure at home. I really hope you enjoyed doing your nails at home with me. I loved hanging out with you, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I hope you all have had a beautiful summer and are having a great August. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Be safe and have a good one. Bye.